Yeah, so now that I've been able to get to this Udemy, and I've gone to my notepad, copy my promo text. Okay, I click on this add text, add new swipe, then I paste my ad in the box. Then, because everything I'm talking about is watch the video, okay, then I'm going to click on this hyperlink and I'm going to insert, okay, insert that landing page link that I created. I'm going to paste the landing page link here, which means I am not promoting directly, but I'll be getting clients into my landing page, and inside my landing page, this same link, this same Clickbank link will then be getting promoted to them inside the list. Okay. It's been hyperlinked. Okay, it's been hyperlinked. So we're going to save it. Then don't forget, subject cannot be blank. We're going to copy this same thing and we might make it the subject in this example. Okay, depends on what you are promoting. But in this example, that is going to be the subject. Then we're going to save it. Save it one more time. Now that it is saved, then now we have a swipe. Okay, we have a swipe. Now we want to go and find something, find seller. Okay, then we're going to go type the keyword again, weight loss. Weight loss. We're going to come again, type weight loss. Now this lady came up again. So we're going to click on this lady. Then what we do, she got 300 visitors, okay, to our swipe. But we can change. We want to change the swipe, okay? We want to change the swipe. Let's change that swipe to click on the top. You will see that swipe you make. Asian Japanese. Put it in here. You see it? That's it. First of all, you create the swipe so that when you come to the other page from the one who is going to sell the ad to you, you just come here into the box, you click the top button, you will see your ad, you put it in here, it's getting here, then you will click add to cart. 300 visitors to your landing page that they will be here as a prospect that will buy this thing, or even will opt into your list, and inside your list will be promoting to them 300 of them for 189, which is a good deal. It is better than you doing direct promotion, losing this type of people. These are called high quality people. Now, when you push add to cart, then later you go and push the cart and you go and pay. Okay, I would have done it right now, but I have promotions going on. Okay, this is just how simple it is. Okay, creating it to this point is what makes it like a little bit difficult, but once you've got it created, man, it remains for life. 300 visitors, immediately 300 visitors who will click your link and see your ads, and possibilities that they will buy and they will stay opt into your list and they became yours for life. Yours. They are yours for life. You can continue to promote them every blessed day inside your list. This is how it is done. See? So I'm going to push add to cart because someday I will come and promote it. Let me add it to cart. You see how it is? Now I got two things in my cart now, which I feel like, okay, anytime I'm free, I will come and promote them. You see how it is? This is what it is when you are